Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to increase your download speed on Steam. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to do in order for us to have faster download time speed on Steam is to head on over to the top left of our screen. Click on Steam, click on Settings, and head on over to Downloads. Once you're at Downloads, make sure that the download region is properly selected. What does that mean? Let's say that you're currently in the United States. Why is your download region here in the Philippines, Manila? So what you need to do here is to make sure that the nearest download region is in line with your current location. And after that, if limit download speed is off or is on, turn it off. And after that, what you need to do here is to simply, or once you've chose your download region or settings has been fixed or set, simply restart your Steam account, and from there, make sure or test if that region is more faster than the other. And that's how you increase your download speed on Steam. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.